My name is Josh Iris. I'm the president of Ace Electric Motor and Pump Company here in Stockton. So we've been in the same area now for 72 years. It's been awesome, third generation. I love what I do. I've been doing this since I was in high school, and I couldn't think of a more amazing job to have. I'm standing behind one of our labs. We've designed this whole room really to help bring up maintenance teams and electricians up to speed on how to do some of this routine maintenance. We did some interesting research, and we found that up to 50% of maintenance work was done for no reason whatsoever or improperly altogether. So right here we're looking at some mechanical labs. Over here next to me you can see the belt tensioning labs. We go over stuff like pillow blocks, measuring shaft straightness, the proper ways to install gears, pulleys, correctly tensioning, to show your guys how to get that machine installed quickly, reliably, and so it runs for a long time without much maintenance. And we have a lot of electrical testing too. So we have everything from PLC and HMI, we have MCC buckets. With all of our training labs, their intent is to be able to bring your team into here and give them the hands-on boot camp style training, if you will. We also can make them mobile and take them out in your field. If you have a team but you can't manage to pull all your mechanics out at one time, somebody needs to be guarding the ground, so we can actually come to your facility and give the same level of hands-on training, and these include certifications like arc flash, lockout, tagout, stuff like that. So it's been a real big impact. We've had hundreds and hundreds of students in here, and they rave about the real-world hands-on training because that's what really sticks. One of the things that's been great about this class is the collaborative approach to building these labs out. Having great vendors like you see in front of us, we have motors from WorldWide Electric, all of their different major motor frames, so we can show people the difference between these motors and why, to really helping us build a lab that is very much real world to what your guys are seeing every day at the plant. So it's been a tremendous help having great partners.